Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RGBP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Very, very impressive movement on this one today. I mean, came down and started off at the bottom part of that support, which I talked about previously. And not only did it find support at that level, I mean, that turned into basically a big old trampoline and sent it not only up to that level of resistance, but then the price just continued to break up through that level of resistance. So, I mean, truly a great movement there throughout the course of the day, and a lot of updates need to be done. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So preferably speaking now, staying above 0.025 would be, the best case scenario. Because, and I'm not saying this will occur, but if the price were to come down to that area and then break down below it, that doesn't destroy the entire chart. But what it would do is just put the price right back inside of that channel where it just was. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to, areas that they just broke out of, not exactly a massive sign of power. Again, not saying that's what's going to happen or that would destroy the entire chart. But as far as today's momentum is concerned, a great way to gauge the strength of it is, well, let's see if the price can at least stay outside of that channel breakout by staying up above 0.025. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, if this upwards move is going to continue, the next big battleground to watch very closely going to be right up there at 0.036. Going back through the history of the chart, you can see this area here definitely presented a problem on several occasions. So you're going to want to keep a close eye on that, like I said, if this upwards momentum does continue. But overall, definitely a very impressive bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this momentum headed into Thursday? Let's see how it continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.